Hello guys, Flash here for another video. Today we're going to talk about Moonlight. I just spoke to the creator of Moonlight. In my opinion, he's a very good dude with a nice personality. In the 20 minutes I have spoken to him, I have gathered some information to show you guys. And I think this token will go big because of its purpose. We'll get into their purpose in a bit. Firstly, I want to check Moonlight in a few words. So it has a purpose. So Moonlight is not a pump and dump token like other coins. They are providing useful tools for the Binance Smart Chain traders. This is a full community-driven token. So if you want, don't hesitate and share your thoughts on their social medias. As well as this was a fair launch with everyone else, and the liquidity was burned as soon as they went live. We can see the transaction over here. So what I like about this token, something that is clearly something new and very intuitive. The PooCoin promoted alerts, the new gold rush. Have you ever noticed a spike in price when coins get listed on PooCoin promoted section? Buying after the promotion can lead to crazy returns in a few hours, so 2x, 10x or even 50x. They have been using this simple trick for weeks, and now is our time to try. So however, you have to get in quickly. The first one will get the biggest slice of the cake. So what this paragraph is saying is that we can see here Moonstar had a promoted ad on PooCoin. So after they got promoted on here, you'll get a notification saying that you have to buy, and if you buy you will have crazy returns in a few minutes. Let's take a look at some examples. So if you press on the see examples, we're going to be redirected over here. So Anarchy was a token. This token was skyrocketed 30 times. So here was the promoted alert and it just skyrocketed 30 times. Orca as well, 5 times, 1, 6 times, and Shiba Moon 5 times. So to request access, you need at least 250 billion Moonlight tokens. After that, you have to make a follow request on the Twitter bot at bot Moonlight. This is where you'll get your notifications. And the second step is fill this form with your Twitter handle, and second, the address of the Binance Smart Chain containing the 250 billion tokens. The form will give you a random Binance Smart Chain wallet address, and you have to transaction of exactly 1 Moonlight from the wallet address you gave to the random address. That will confirm that you are the real owner. As I want to take a look at their Twitter, where they post every update, they have partnered with PooCoin. Moonlight and PooCoin are working together to provide the best tools for the Binance Smart Chain. This is the beginning of an exciting adventure. PooCoin will help us target a larger audience by communicating updates and news surrounding Moonlight. I actually highly suggest you guys going and joining their Telegram group, as the community itself is a very helpful community and can actually benefit you guys in the future. That being said, guys, I will make a follow-up video with the bot in the upcoming days. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Flash out.